第一行啊，29磅半，電動 scooter、電動單車，每程20分鐘內咧都只係1磅7。11歲係免費嘅，直接行入去就得㗎啦。5個半拍到今晚10點咯，我哋食埋飯可以翻嚟。嗱，玩埋暑假啦，好多香港朋友仔咧都可能過嚟英國探埋啲親戚朋友過嚟玩啦，或者移英港人咧都會落嚟倫敦玩幾日喎。但係倫敦佢消費好貴喎，咩都係錢喎。咁我嚟呢幾年咧，其實有啲咧秘密嘅秘技咧，倫敦係慳錢辦法，所以你要睇到尾就知咧點樣嚟倫敦玩幾日咧，我哋可以慳咗成8000蚊港紙啊！你睇到尾就知我點慳㗎啦。你有咩玩啊？今個暑假？
上年喺度睇媽媽咪啊，媽媽咪啊 ，Here we go again，my my。
咁倫敦最出名係咩啊？梗係睇 West End 歌劇，體驗下呢個文化藝術啦。但係喂，好鬼貴喎！你講下咧，山頂位咧都過百磅張飛，靚啲位200磅都有喎。咁有乜計？又可以平啲啊！一晚咧一家4口咧使咗5-6千蚊港紙，好揦脷喎！咁咧其實咧靜靜雞話俾大家知，喺遊客先俾咁貴嘅啫，本地人咧絕對唔係呢個價錢。我哋睇幾次咧都係30磅落樓，一人30磅，即係2張 IMAX 飛嘅價錢嘅啫。咁咧有幾個方法嘅。第一個方法咧就係逢禮拜一或者禮拜三、禮拜五咧，佢哋有啲特價飛嘅，指定放飛日。Victor 咧就係逢星期三朝頭早10點，就放下個禮拜咧第一行啊，29磅半。迪士尼獅子王咧就星期一，逢星期一12點咧29磅半。set 定鬧鐘，手快有手慢冇。咁你話唔啱時間咁點咧？有個叫 Today Takes 嘅嘢咧，有個 rush 嘅方法嘅，就係咧。我哋今日試過啦，7月11號、7月12號，我哋今日咁咧30蚊港紙，唔係山頂位喎，大堂正中第 U 嗰行 U1 至 U3，咁咧前面兩行咧，我哋翻正價官網嗰度買咧80磅噶。咁另外咧，我睇過一個 Totoro 龍貓咧，喺呢個中間嗰層 C34、35咧，又係29個半。咁啊隔離位直頭隔離位啊90磅啊，同一個位隔離嗰個位啊，直頭係。仲有咧，係8月咧有個歌劇嘅 Kids Week， 咁咧16歲樓下小朋友帶埋佢僆仔去咧，咁啊大人小朋友全部都半價噶。咁我哋8月嗰陣咧就買咗飛去睇個龍貓噶啦。
我今日睇咗初龍啦，我好 excited。我入咗去，我冇得再影相啦，記得用我哋個方法嚟買啦，拜拜。而家就係開場啦。
咁我哋之前咧睇咗好多咩媽媽咪啊、Victor 啊、Matilda、哈利波特啊，後邊嗰個咧孤星淚啦、Misera、Phantom of the Opera 嗰啲咧啊，你噏得出嗰啲咧，我哋都睇晒啦。因為其實咧都係2張 IMAX 飛嘅價錢咧，就可以入場睇到啦，唔使俾百幾200磅噶。
個 Devil 係着 Prada 嘅。我哋依家翻去嗰個 Hades Town 睇嗰套戲啊，同埋我都係同我朋友睇過 Matilda。
嗱，香港落飛機咧，梗係直接搭的士入市區啦，係咪？嗱，後邊呢架黑色的士啊，咁咧喺英國咧又係遊客中伏，落飛機咧千祈唔好搭個黑色的士啊！最聰明嘅方法咧就係搭 Uber， 又唔好搭火車喎。香港搭嗰個機場快線都係呃遊客啦，係咪？咁呢度咧嗰個 Elizabeth Line 起嗰個新起嗰個咧，又係呃遊客嘅，4個人搭咧要60幾磅啊，基本上係貴過搭 Uber 啊！搭 Uber 咧都係40-50-60磅嘅啫。咁頭先搭嗰呢個黑色的士咧就要差唔多過百磅啊！嚟緊個黑色的士。咁所以咧 Uber 咧就係我哋自己啊去旅行啊都係會搭 Uber 翻屋企啊。點樣上車咧？就喺機場嗰度咧。去嗰個 Short Stay 嘅停車場嗰度咧，佢已經有晒指定區域咧，好多人幫襯，全部啲司機都喺嗰度接客。你直接跟住指示咧，有晒人話俾你聽，直接行上去嗰度咧，就係幾十人陪你等緊 Uber 嗰啲車㗎啦，已經。倫敦啲消費真係好貴啊！後邊呢個地鐵咧喺松溫咧搭一個站都要3磅，因為無論搭幾個站咧，總之松溫內有3磅1啦。咁你4條友咧，一家人嚟咧。咁搭2-3個站咧，就已經10幾磅啦，貴過你搭的士啊！咁但係 嗱，人哋唔講俾你知，亦都冇人會特登講嘅，你去找咯。啊，原來咧11歲樓下咧係免費嘅，直接行入去就得㗎啦。嗱，你咧如果懵成成咁咧，自己走去俾錢咧，你就俾咗4份人錢啦。其實2個大人俾錢就得㗎啦，已經一個禮拜咧慳翻幾百蚊港紙啦。如果11至15歲咧都有半價嘅，又係冇人會講俾你知嘅。你要連埋嗰個年青人行埋去嗰個櫃台嗰度，直接問佢咧，同佢講咧，佢就會半價，就一定要咧用 Oyster 卡嘅喎，唔可以用嗰啲咩信用卡嘟落去嘅喎，咁就冇特價，咁所以記住。一齊喺條街度睇緊溫布頓。
呢個係 Italy 嘅 gelato 嚟㗎，睇寫住 handmade in Italy 嘅喎。
嗱，去旅行最怕咩？唔係驚酒店貴，唔係驚機票貴，最驚就係個匯率啊嘛。今日睇好似好抵，諗住遲2日先唱啦，點知就真係碌卡啊，唱外幣嗰日，哇個匯價升咗喎，仲未計咧嗰啲信用卡找換店嗰啲 spread 啊，表面睇個匯價好靚，點靜靜雞咧食咗你一截，前面慳幾百蚊酒店機票咧，個匯率就輸翻晒。有乜方法唔使望住個匯率又唔使賭大細咧？咁我自己咧就係咁做嘅，就係出發之前咧見到個匯率靚咧，唱定外幣先。咁去到嗰陣咧就算匯率升咗都唔關我事啦。咁點用咧？就用 WeLab Global Wallet 嘅扣帳卡啦。佢個玩法好簡單嘅啫，喺香港未出發嗰陣咧，就用個 app 直接唱外幣，見到個價啱就即刻鎖定匯率，去到當地消費咧就唔使日日擔心匯率升跌啊，買杯雪糕都唔使驚啦。未必一定最低位唱，但係咧就肯定唔會去到旅行嗰日突然間升到最高位先要使啲錢喎。佢嘅 app 咧仲會同你比較唔同嘅匯價嘅 AI 即時做晒各大銀行嘅比較，一眼就睇到 WeLab Bank 個價咧同其他銀行咧差幾遠啦，唔使開10幾個 app 啊，自己喺度撳嚟撳去搞一大輪啦。見到個匯價啱心水咧，就一次過唱啦，仲可以分幾次，慢慢分幾日，慢慢唱添啊！最重要咩啊？一唱咗咧，
最重要係雪糕。
係最有雪糕食，買靚價唱咗外幣，買雪糕咁之後個價升咗咧，冇問題啦。其實咧，松溫市中心咧都好多人咧已經唔搭地鐵㗎，因為行路踩單車仲快。好似我後邊呢個咧 Covent Garden 嘅地鐵站咧，距離佢最近嗰個 Leicester Square 咧係4分鐘嘅啫，行路喎，唔係搭車喎。即係你呢個站行過去4分鐘，而呢個站咧仲係冇 escalator 冇扶手電梯，係一個100幾米深，原本係防空洞嘅地鐵站嚟嘅，淨係得4架電梯可以搭落去嘅啫。行落去咧要10分鐘，行去隔離個站咧4分鐘。咁咧旺季淨係排呢4架呢一排15分鐘啊！咁所以咧本地人咧就係踩電動單車嘅。真正嘅本地人咧，反而係會踩我後邊啲電動單車、Lime 電動 scooter， 周街都有嘅。求其掃個 QR code 就有噶啦，非常方便。不過記住啦，又係遊客最貴，解鎖就即刻收你1磅。另外每分鐘計錢收你30p， 踩20分鐘咧埋單已經差唔多係7磅噶啦，分分鐘係貴過你搭 Uber 嘅。咁真正嘅玩法咧就 App 入邊開個 Line Prime， 即係做月費 plan， 咁月費咧就7磅，之後咧免你解鎖費，每程20分鐘內咧都只係1磅7啫。頭先係7磅，而家係1磅7。如果同屋企人或者朋友一齊踩咧，仲可以 group Y 開車，同行嘅人咧都可以用埋你呢個月費優惠嘅。咁2個人咧一程就係5磅乘2已經10磅，已經係回咗你個月費有突噶啦。咁沿住泰晤士河一直踩咧，本身一個免費嘅景點啦咁一家4個人咧嚟7日，每日3程啦咁即係4乘7乘3咧，因為84程啦。每程慳5磅咧，呢度都係420磅噶啦，扣埋你嗰個月費咧400磅有突啦。
Big Bang
啦！嗱咧，我轉頭咧就行咗嚟 Leicester Square Station 啦。咁頭先嗰個咧 Covent Garden 咧就喺呢度咋，就喺街尾嗰度咋，就係直頭可以影到喺隔離。大家嚟到倫敦，可能住 Airbnb 或者酒店咧，未必包早餐嘅。咁點搞咧？教大家2招。第一個，下載呢個 Too Good To Go 嘅 app。 好多麵包鋪啊 ，Costa Coffee 啊，甚至高級啲嗰啲咩 Gale 啊、Starbucks 啊，一啲高級酒店餐廳咧，佢哋收鋪之前咧，會將啲賣剩嘅食物咧，整成一袋呢個 surprise bag。嗱呢度咧6點半咧，我哋而家就 reserve 佢啦，4個半咁 reserve， 即刻俾錢。而家6點12分，我哋揸車過去，搞掂啦。仲有17分鐘時間，之後就可以過去攞啦。好啦，我哋而家嚟到咧，就出咗個曲咧，就可以問佢攞啊。We got this one. Too good to go. Yeah.
我哋而家 order 咗個 Too Good to Go， 佢而家整緊我諗下係咩嚟㗎？我都唔知喎。
Thank you。搞掂啦！我哋睇下啲咩先。
有呢個 Free Range Egg Mayonnaise Sandwich。
呢個
幾好食喎呢個。
有3個包。
有 Beyond Meat Breakfast Sandwich。
即係呢個係咩啊？嗰啲假肉啊 ，Beyond Meat 啊，假嘅肉。就係呢個咧。
Tomato Mozzarella Pesto。
哇！呢個都好食。
我想食呢個喎。
你想食呢個啊？
我想食。
咩啊？呢個芝士嚟㗎，5蚊啊！呢個4磅半，45蚊3個。因為一個都要4磅半啊，而家3個。好嘢！
聽日食早餐。
呢度咧嗱，一個咧係7磅半啊，呢個係4磅7，就係呢個包6個幾啊要嗱啦，6個1毫半啊呢個。嗱總共呢度咧3個加埋，頭先係計過15磅以上，咁我哋成本咧係4磅半啫，抵啦，慳10磅啦一日咋。
夠你3個食早餐。
係正。嗱有嘢食啦，咁啊揸杯咖啡喎係咪？嗱呢個 Pret-a-Manger 係咪？即係中環啊金鐘先見到嗰一間咧，好多好高級㗎，都嗰啲高級 OL 咧先幫襯㗎嘛係咪？其實咧英國好 common 嘅喎，周圍附近咧好似71咁多啊。佢有個咧叫 Club Pret 嘅嘢咧係咪咧？就係一個月5磅月費，即係50蚊港紙咧。咁咧每日咧就可以最多用5杯半價錢咧買即沖咖啡啦、latte 啦、cappuccino 啦，呢個 hot chocolate 啦，小朋友啊嚇，咁啊全部半價1磅，一杯咧4磅，咁啊我哋2杯咧已經慳咗4磅，即係咁啊5磅月費喎，一日咧就回本㗎啦。嗱，當你嚟2個禮拜啦嚇，每日飲2杯，2個人就4杯啦，係咪？咁啊3個人就6杯嘅喎，2杯計咧230磅原價嚇。咁而家咧5磅月費半價之後咧埋單都係120磅嗱，咁就眨下眼慳咗100幾磅㗎啦。
Heat wave 嗰時你可以撐冷氣喎。
呢度咧坐下咧，我想快啲走，我有啲凍我想講。
出邊30幾度喎。
係啊，但我而家覺得好凍。
嗱，頭先我留意咗買咖啡啊、搭車啊、食嘢啊，都係咧用呢張 VLab Global Wallet 扣帳卡。呢張卡本身已經支援11種貨幣，英鎊、日元、美元、歐元、人民幣，全部都可以預先唱定。咁去到英國咧，一簽卡就要直接扣你嗰個英鎊戶口啦，唔使再港幣轉一次，英鎊就轉一次。就係咧免外幣交易手續費。去外國咧碌卡咧，部機會問你：你俾英鎊，你俾港紙啊咁樣。你千祈唔好揀港紙喎，因為咧呢個就係嗰個 DCC 咧超高匯率揾你笨嘅收費嚟嘅。用呢張卡咧就可以直接用當地匯率計算，避開呢個超貴匯率嘅陷阱啦。Apple Pay 全部都支援嘅。而家咧係 VLab Bank 6週年，記用呢個優惠碼 VLab 6咁成功開呢個核心帳戶同埋投資帳戶咧，有以下嘅迎新獎賞喎！中國內地海外簽帳咧，高達6% 嘅現金回贈，成功開戶去到9月30號咧，累積簽帳1萬蚊港紙咧就拎到㗎啦！回贈上限咧係1000蚊港紙。第二咧就外幣兌換現金獎賞，推廣期內唱外幣咧，按累積金額最高有800蚊港紙㗎。有長期英鎊需求啦、交學費啦、儲首期啦、匯錢俾英國仔女啦，分批唱鎖定個匯率咧，賺埋呢一筆。咁開戶 App 入邊咧就搞掂，記住 VLab 6喎連結同條款咧喺下邊資訊欄嗰度㗎啦。嗱，另外第3， 投資基金咧賺最高咧4200蚊港紙嘅現金獎賞，指定交易期內完成合資格基金交易咧，就可以有最高達啦4200蚊港紙嘅現金獎賞啦。咁貨幣兌換涉及風險，匯率有波動啊，將港幣換成外幣咧，可能因為匯率變動有損失嘅。所有優惠受條款及細則約束，詳情睇 WeLab Bank 嘅官網啦。
唔係得係啲嘢飲喎，元老攰嗰時，你可以入嚟休息下，嘆冷氣，喺廁所叉你個電話喎。呢度好凍，啲冷氣太勁啦。
嗱，你睇下我哋拎住呢杯 Pret a Manger， 打個卡後邊係咩啊？呢個 Bird 咗個倫敦街景，係咪好高級？好似自己係麥明詩同埋林作咁樣咧，但係其實咧只係20蚊港紙嘅成本咋。
得2磅啊？
係啊，2磅好抵啊！
係喎，我自己都買到喎，用自己錢。
好喎。
我買咗好多杯喎。
喂，但係你翻香港之前咧，記住 cancel 翻個 app 嗰度，係咪下個月收你5磅噶啦？如果大家係揸車落嚟倫敦嘅話咧，蘇溫嗰啲 congestion zone 咪好貴咯，下下都15磅一日喎，淨係揸入去啫喎。入面泊車咧係講緊100蚊港紙10磅一個鐘嘅。咁本地啊，我哋呢啲慳錢嘅係點樣做啲秘技咧？就係嚟呢度後邊呢個 Regent's Park 嗰度啦。Regent's Park 咧即係皇家公園，啱啱貼住喺正 congestion zone 對面馬路㗎。咁呢度咧成個公園圍住咧都係任你泊車，唔係泊車要俾錢嘅。咁咧係2磅8，即係30蚊港紙一個鐘啫。咁絕對唔貴啦，好正常合理價錢啦，咪銅鑼灣都唔止啦。咁呢度貼住，即係喺正市中心側邊貼住啦。咁咧行入去，真係過一條馬路就到啦。嗱，呢個公園有幾大咧？你幻想下好似香港維多利亞公園咁大啦。咁圍住4邊咧都係可以泊車嘅。啊，咁所以係好多位泊，絕對唔驚。話俾大家知咧，都唔會俾你泊晒嘅。嗱，我哋而家3點43分，泊到6點就係6分28分，5個半啫。之後咧就唔使錢啦，今晚全晚都 OK。嗱，俾張飛你啦，點搞咧？擺翻上架車度，擺車頭玻璃咧，佢知道你俾咗錢噶啦。嗱，你拍完嘢咧，去咗呢個倫敦嘅泰國地踎餐廳食嘢。你睇下後邊係咪膠台布好地踎？係啊，我哋呢度就係坐膠凳仔嘅，幾有風味。
即係好似去咗泰國咁，我想講。
我哋食咗一半啦，呢個咧都幾有風味喎，即係好有泰國嘅風味，好味喎呢個。雖然好撈教而家呢個好邋遢嘅環境，好唔好味啊？係咪有泰國味道啊？呢個 OK 啊？好
味啊！
雖然佢細細碟，好似好流咁樣個樣，又好似唔係好夠食咁，但係其實都飽飽地喎已經。
唔係呢度好熱啊！我想講，好似去咗泰國咁咯。
我覺得最好食咧係呢個泰式東坡肉，啱啱咬咗一啖，係幾入味嘅喎，真係。呢間意大利雪糕咧，你睇下佢整咗玫瑰花出嚟嘅，已經俾我食咗1個半啦，我係吹花拆。嗰個特別好食，特別煙啊，特別好食，正56蚊，5磅6，即係60蚊港紙。香港都要啦，好味。
呢個意大利雪糕我揀咗 vanilla cookies and cream 同埋呢個朱古力好食啊！
普通雪糕咩唔同咧？
好味啲。我哋今日嚟呢個 Jellycat Restaurant， 所以如果你嚟倫敦記得帶個小朋友嚟喎，因為呢度有個特別版 limited edition fish and chips， 其他地方冇㗎，得翻倫敦有就呢個。但係你嚟之前咧，記住要上網預約喎。我哋而家咧係8點幾，我2日前預約，2日前就剩翻夜晚8點幾先有位啦。如果唔係咧，人都可以 walk in 嘅，但係 walk in 唔知等幾耐啊。Cheese fine, right? 喂，你幫手揭下。有呢個好多嘢喎又。哇！你諗住嗌咩食啊？今晚？哇！呢個一 set 咧200磅。
全部都係倫敦特別版嚟嘅，英國特別版。
揀完之後係點啊？有3個 step 嘅喎。咩啊？
我要買個 fish and chips 同埋呢個 soda can。
買兩個得啦，
呢個同埋 fish and chips。
即係3個啊？
係啊，第一個 step 就係 choose either immutable fish pie, sausage, little fish, cozy chips, or Dot and Peggy mushy peas. 2. Personalize. With the help of a fish and chips server, collect your order including an enamel pen, a sticker sheet, and the fish and chips packaging.
我隔離嗰個就係 walk in 嘅，我哋 online book 咗，入去都仲有排隊嘅喎，啊！
How hungry is today?
I just had my dinner, but I'm still hungry.
Still hungry for all of this, right?
Yeah.
What would you like today?
Can I have some fish and chips?
Absolutely, you can. What would you like first, your fish or your chips? So you get a really...
My chips.
Okay, let's start with your chips, shall we? Gorgeous, gorgeous cozy chips. Look at
Yeah.
these. They're very steamy, very hot. Look at that. Smells pretty good. Oh gosh, they're boiling though. My hands are burning off. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to eat something.
Gosh, it doesn't matter. I'm going to stick with taxi behind. You think about nice to see that difference. We know that. Okay, pick that one.
咩嚟嘅？前啲
So
Thank you so much.
vinegar.
And that's everything for today, yeah?
Sure, well done.
Nice. So a whole
You touch that ceiling.
That's good.
Would you like to add anything to that? Any salt?
What's this?
Wow.
Salt.
That must be exciting. Kind of scary a little bit, but it's
And I have a little bit lemon.
Yeah, you should. And this is for you.
Yes.
What's your name, my love?
Margaret.
Is that Margeret?
Yes. You're the first person who spelled my name right on the first go.
okay.
Amazing.
Is there anything?
Let me get that right for you, and I'll just check that I've spelt that right. Very much. And is that all for today?
No, the fish.
The fish, right? Yeah, of course. Okay. Silly of me to forget.
Give it a little line for you right now.
It needs a friend.
Let me grab one now.
Here we are. One gorgeous,
Okay.
gorgeous lily
That was
fish.
my
Look at that.
first
She's
one.
so
You
excited to be
can
near you. Look at that.
Okay,
She's so
I just
cute. Just
apologise. I'm
basically
going to
jumping out of her.
in there.
Her
Sitting all the way down.
Her job is to be with you. Well, she is fresh out the fryer, which
All right,
means she
any
is
salt,
very,
maybe?
very warm, very steamy, but also very oily. Give her a feel. Is she oily?
Yeah.
Yeah, oily, right? So we want to get all that oil off. Let's give her a good shake, shall we?
Is this your friend back in China, or is she in London?
Good job, good job. Above your head, side to
Oh,
side.
that's so
All the oil's getting on me.
cute. You guys all be matching.
In a circle, that's so nice and tight. And you actually got some of that oil in my eye.
Sorry.
You've done an excellent, excellent job, haven't you? Look at that, much less oily now, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Would you like to add anything to that? Any salt, lemon or vinegar? Good.
And I'll add a little bit on it.
Perfect, yeah. And is this for you again?
Yes.
Now, how old are you, Margaret?
Probably almost 9. I'm 9 in August.
Okay, so very soon. How are you feeling about being 9?
I don't know. Happy?
Happy? Yeah, fair enough. Is this an early birthday present or just for fun?
Just for fun.
Fair enough. Are you going into year 5 soon?
Yes.
Are you excited about that?
Yes.
How excited on a scale of 1 to 10?
7?
7, okay. Do you know your new teacher?
I'll show you what they look like in a moment.
She's called Miss Crewman.
Okay.
One bag, this is
And do you like her?
Middle.
Oh, fair enough. I'm sure she'll be great. Let me pop these into a bag for you, shall we? Now, with this, you get some very special add-ons.
Can I have it in a separate bag, please?
2 separate bags.
Yes.
Is this 2 separate people?
Yes.
Or are they both for you or 2 separate?
They're both for me.
Fair. There you are. Let me just pop the rest of these away where they belong. With that, some stickers. Just keep your hands nice and clean.
Pick feet in pounds or pounds, yeah?
Sorry. Let me get those wrapped for you. Now, these are your very special forever bags, so everything inside them stays nice and fresh forever.
Okay.
But I need your help to activate magic. Can you help me?
Yeah.
What I need you to
It
do.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Whichever is easier.
Wait, this is how it comes. Ah. These feel like laundry pins.
Yeah, right?
In the bag.
They're magic pins instead. Not laundry, magic.
Lovely rest
So
of
let me get that scan. Do you have selfies or not?
有個 fish 同埋 chips 啦，而家要買其他嘢啦
9點幾啦已經，
喎。問佢中意咩色？
兔仔中意嗰啲隻狗嘅。
我覺得佢中意兔。
佢好似
都幾核突。
入啲女士入咗嗰啲手袋鋪咁，好興奮而家。
係咩？
但兔仔會得意啲。
係啊。
好興奮你個女。
睇呢個幾 cute，有個耳喺入邊，跟住攞出嚟噶喎。
咩嚟㗎？俾我睇下，拎過嚟啊！
Sardines 嚟㗎。
pet 嚟嘅喎，唔係喎，呢個係
沙甸魚啊！
口嚟嘅喎。
佢哋真係逼埋喺入邊嘅喎，好擠逼嘅喎兩隻嘢。
你覺得呢個咩嚟㗎？
揭開啦！
好似做咗個搓蟹咁咯喎。
嗱，如果你都有朋友今個暑假會興過咧，記住 follow 呢條片俾佢睇，等佢都慳翻啲錢喎。或者你如果喺英國，或者你有冇知道啲英國嘅慳錢秘技，我哋冇提到咧，喺下邊留言啊！如果你睇到咧，都記住碌晒喺留言啊！好多人留言話俾你聽有咩慳錢大法㗎啦。
慳到夠錢，你就可以嚟呢個 Jellycat 度玩啦，跟住買嘢，呢個小朋友一定好開心㗎。好似我咁樣啊！睇下揀邊一個，你諗下啦。
留言啦！
留言啊！記得去 like、share、comment 同埋 subscribe。拜拜。Shopping Jellycat free 耶！我走啦，拜拜。
Receipts in the yellow bag just there.